how to add a payment method on booking.com. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add a payment method on booking.com. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is log in to your booking.com account on your mobile or computer. Over here, once you are logged in, go to your account name in the top right hand corner and click on it. After that, select Manage Account. Then in the Manage Account window, go to Payment Details. Over here, you will see any existing payment methods linked to your account. To add a new card, click on the option to add a new card. After that, enter your card details, including the card name, card number, and expiry date. Then click on Save Changes to confirm. Now you can use this card to pay for hotels or services on booking.com. So that's how you can add a payment method on booking.com. That's all for this video.